Hello fans, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. My returning thank you and God bless you for always holding by me. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. In today's video, we are going to be making beans and dodo. I'm going to be making fried plantain and beans today. So this is the ingredients I will be using to make these delicious beans and fried plantain. So let me introduce you one by one. Here we have beans. As I said earlier, beans here. We have 2 onions. We have plantain here, and I have 1 cube maggi here, which is chicken maggi. I have tomatoes, and I have curry powder, oil, palm oil, and I have blended the fish, salt, blended pepper. So those are the ingredients I'm using to make these delicious beans. Let's get into the video. I'm not going to finish these tomatoes. I'm going to be using half of it. While the oil, I'm going to be taking some of the oil, not all. So let's get into the video, guys. I have my pot already in the fire. The water here already. I'm going to be putting beans inside. Now it's already brown. I have egg there because I'm going to use egg in this recipe. Now I will be putting the beans inside, continue washing. Okay guys, in these beans I'm going to leave it for a while, like 10 minutes, so that I'm going to throw off the water, and I will add another water inside because it's not nice when you cook the beans just without throwing the water. So because some people used to say that the water will make them to be feeling so bad in their chest, and it's not good. So it is always good when you are cooking beans, you throw off the water. Okay guys, I have to take off the beans out now and throw the water off, and I will add another water inside. Okay guys, now I will be adding the beans inside, which is here now. First thing, I have to add salt, a little salt, because I'm going to also use salt for my tomato sauce. Then I will add this. Next thing to add inside is onions. Then we cover up in. Guys, let me turn it a little bit. Then we cover up in the beans is ready. See you guys later. Now we start slicing the plantain, because I wouldn't like to finish cooking the beans before I start it. If not, it will take time. So let's get into it. Going to be adding salt. Let's start frying the oil, the plantain, sorry guys, and the oil is already fried pan. So it's hot already, and now we are putting, I did not have salt because I have salt already, and the was enough. Feel free to do yours the way you like it, the way I prefer mine. This is how I am doing it right now, guys. Now we are removing the first plantain. Okay guys, I have my pot already in the fire, my beans already done, is here. Now I'm going to be making the sauce. First thing to add is salt, followed by onions, I will let it steam a little bit because I love using stew on my beans. Without still no beans for me, you know. So you can feel free to make yours the way you want it. This is how I love making my beans, to make it delicious. Now I'll be adding tomatoes. As I said earlier, I'm not going to be finishing it. I'm using half of it. This is the one I used here. Okay, we need more, a little bit more, yeah. And now I'll be adding all the necessary things. I have maggi here. I'm using one chicken maggi. Here we have blended crayfish. Here we have pepper. Last thing I'll be adding is curry powder. Put a little bit of it. So with some, I will add a little water inside. Okay guys, I will add a little water inside now. Okay. As you can see, my plantain is still here. This is the last part of my plantain. So I will cover the sauce at least for 15 minutes and it's ready to go inside the beans. Okay guys, as you can see, I just added the tomatoes inside the beans. So I will leave this at least for 5 minutes now and my beans is ready, and I have to put oil right away. You can even decide not to add oil. You know, with the sauce, it look like I had oil already. But myself, I prefer to add oil. Yeah, now I will add a little oil. And I will leave it for 5 minutes. And my beans is ready. Voila! Here is my beans, the finishing of my beans. Guys, how did you see this food? Wow, it came out very nice, right? Leave the comment in the comment section. Please like this video, share and subscribe for more delicacy food. Thanks for joining me for today's video, and see you for my next video. Bye bye. One more thing, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. Bye.